So here I am, everyone, at the rear of the former Best Western Ensenada Motor Inn. And as you can see, there are new developments going up all around it. The exception, of course, being the tower in the centre of the frame. But this was once a place that was very popular for holiday makers to the Glenelg and Holdfast Bay region. It consisted of 30 standard rooms. There were 3 executive suites and 3 twin suites, I believe, in here. So about 36 rooms all up. Now it is being demolished to make way for a 13-storey apartment tower. So what they have done is all of the furnishings and anything that could be taken from each of the rooms has been auctioned. I'll give you a little picture of that up on the screen. But this was actually a very highly rated motel, and it's the last motor inn in this part of South Australia, as far as I'm aware. Probably one of the downsides was that it did not have a lift. So if you were staying on the upper floors, you would have had to have carried all your bags upstairs to the top. But generally speaking, this place had a fairly good reputation. Now, the claim to fame for the Ensenada Motor Inn was that it was only 100 metres from the beach here at Glenelg, also known as Holdfast Bay. There's the old signage. Glenelg's last motor inn. Gone. Let's wander around the front. This, everyone, right here, is what remains of the Ensenada Motor Inn. Now, this front section right here used to have like a little bar at it. And there were also flags from a number of countries around the world that were hung on this balcony. As you can see, it's got a very Mediterranean style to it. So it is certainly unique in terms of its architecture. And it was actually rated pretty much by guests, not just travel agencies, as being a 4-star place to stay. Wonder if they'll save these palms. These palms are very Mediterranean looking, but yeah, that was the restaurant down the bottom there. You can just see that in the sort of the center of the frame now, the restaurant and bar. But yes, it's the changing face of Glenelg and these beachside areas, is that these older buildings are no longer staying around, and instead we get those concrete square ones like that one down there, the new George Hotel, which, all right, that's fine. But this was only built in 1977. So surely it could have been upgraded just on the outside. I don't know if it was such a problem. I know that the interior was cleaned up and upgraded in 2011. And I will try and find some photos from inside the motel. So this soon, everyone, will be no more, and a 13-storey private residence tower is going in here instead. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you agree with the demolition of the Ensenada? To me, it had a lot of character. It had a Mediterranean, it had a Mexican sort of vibe to it all. And yet here we are, having this all taken down.